Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's we are going to fix the issue of incoming calls on Android being busy on our device on this video. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions and fix the issue. So first thing we can do is we can restart your phone. So long press on your power button for that and look out for the restart option and confirm it. A simple restart should often resolve the software glitches that might be causing the problem. Apart from that, you can check your call settings. So open up the phone app on your device, open it up, and once you open it up, look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. And from the given menu, you can open up the settings, the phone settings. Once you access up the settings, you may just go ahead and look out for the call forwarding option. So if that option is available here, you can go ahead and look out for it, or look out for the option called other call settings and tap on it. And from there, if there is call forwarding option, you can just go ahead and look out for it, and which should be available under supplementary services. So just go ahead and tap on that option and find the call forwarding option right here and make sure that this feature is enabled so that you get a notification for other incoming calls instead of a busy signal. So turn it on. Apart from that, what you can do is you can close this up and ensure that the numbers are not blocked that you're trying to call, and also check if the do not disturb mode is turned on or not. So you can just go ahead and access your quick settings for that, open it up, swipe right, and find the not disturb section. Go ahead and head over there, and once you find it up, you can just go ahead and turn it on. And if this option is turned on, you can turn it off. So tap on it and turn it off and make sure this feature is turned off. That might be causing incoming calls to be missed or appear busy to the callers. And if the issue still persists, you can contact your network provider. There might be a problem with your SIM card or the network services in your area. So these are the solutions you can try out in order to fix the issue on your Android device. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.